What's up, Madam Tito? Good afternoon sa lahat. Welcome po sa Jojo Bagais. Happy 12th anniversary to Jojo Bagais. Kaya palakpakan po natin si Sir Jojo. Jojo Bagais family.
Of course, we want to congratulate Kenneth for winning our fourth ranking Mr. Supranational. Palakpakan po natin si Kenneth. We're so proud po sa inyo and thank you for representing the Philippines very well. But ayun, siguro kamustahin na natin ang naging experience po sa inyong journey doon.
My journey po sa Supranational is sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda na journey ko and experience kasi hindi po siya naging budget. It becomes an experience po. Nag-enjoy lang po kami doon and the brotherhood was there. Yung buong budget parang ano lang parang adventure lang siya. And sobrang saya po dahil madadala ko po itong experience na to and memories in the future and masishare ko po ito sa future family ko. And siguro pinakamaganda doon is na-represent ko yung country natin with honor and pride. And nagawa ko po yung best ko and sobrang fulfilling po, sobrang worth it lahat ng pagod, lahat ng effort na binigay ko, and lahat ng tulong na binigay sa akin ng lahat ng tao. Kasi it takes a village po to be here to represent my country. Hindi po siya basta-basta ako lang mag-isa, but we po, tayo pong lahat nagtulungan. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart kasi di ko po yung magagawa kundi dahil po sa inyong lahat.
Siguro if there's one activity that you won't forget during your journey, ito kaya kayo?
Ang lahat naman po siguro kasi day one pa lang, sobrang dami na namin activities. Sobrang nakakapagod nga po kasi mostly 4 hours lang po yung tulog namin. But sobrang worth it naman. But for me, kung isang experience doon is, I think yung sa finals po. Kasi wala pong mag-aakala na papasok po ako sa top 5. Naka-placement po ako kasi grabe yung kalaban natin, sobrang lakas nila. Tatangkad, 6'5", parang ganito pa po ako sa liwa or sa top 20. But all throughout po, yung night na yun, binigay ko lang po kay Lord kasi no one is bigger than Him, no one is stronger, smarter. Kaya siya yung dinala ko doon at yung puso ko lang sa during that night. Kaya sobrang thankful ako kay God and sobrang thankful ako na He walks with me, He talks with me, and He's always with me. Kaya siguro nagawa ko yun dahil kay Lord Jesus Christ.
Congratulations again, Kenneth. So we're celebrating our 12th anniversary here in Jojo Bagais, and of course we've been launching our Men's Night product. So parang ang tanong sa iyo, Kenneth, ay how does it feel to have this Filipino-made products na available sa atin at ma-represent mo to, ma-showcase mo to sa international scene?
Sobrang nakaka-proud po. Bago pa lang ako pumasok sa pageantry, na-try ko na po itong shoes na to dahil sa manager ko. Yung dito, yung isa, yung black ko, yun yung ginagamit ko all throughout the pageants that I joined. And sobrang nakaka-proud po kasi may product tayo na showcase natin not just in our country but to the whole world. Yun po yung sinasabi ko sa mga kasama ko na, oh, this is made in the Philippines, Sir Jojo po ito, and a Filipino designer. And yun, nagaganahan po siya, alam sa mandals ko kasi it's different, it's unique, and it's something that remind us na tayong Pilipino is world class and kaya din nating makipag-competensya sa ibang bansa.
Thank you so much for that. So if you want to explore our elevator shoes and our mandals, nandito lang po rin yan sa ating outlet sale. We can explore on that po later on. But we will, malalaman natin kung ano ba ang susunod na mga ganap ni Kenneth mamaya lang. But now, are you excited for our beauty queens?
Yeah!
Now let us all welcome our Miss Philippines Cosmo 2025, Chelsea Fernandez.
Syempre, hello to each one of you. Una sa lahat, good afternoon. It's really wonderful to see, your beautiful faces, your beautiful smiles this afternoon. And for sure, some of you had some errands to run, but still you chose to be here with us this afternoon. Kaya maraming salamat. It really speaks volumes about how important Jojo Bragais is to all of us and how we value and celebrate the best pageant shoe brand in the world. Kaya once again, maraming salamat po for being here with us this afternoon.
Of course, Miss Winwin, can you greet our viewers?
Nasabi na lahat ni Jess. Ang importante bagay na manghirap. Yan yung mahirap pagkasunod eh. Thank you sa lahat na nandito. Thank you sa lahat ng viewers na nanonood ngayon. And of course, alam natin na may bagyo na darating.
Oo, meron.
Meron. Pero, kami ang bagyo ngayon. Thank you sa lahat na nandito. And yes, sabi nga ni Chelsea, di ba? We're supporting the best shoe brand, di ba? And the universe. So thank you, Jojo Bragais, and thank you sa lahat na nandito ngayon.
And of course, Miss Lisa.
Well, mas lalo naubos yung pwede ko sabihin, di ba? Pero at least may weather forecast tayo, kaya ingat kayo pa uwi. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito, sa pag-spend yun ng time with us, and we're excited to meet every one of you.
Yes, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin ang ating queens.
Mukhang may
Of
type
course, we have a question for Miss Chelsea. Miss Chelsea is competing for Miss Cosmo. So parang, how's your preparation so far?
Well, ako po, busy po ako ngayon mag-live selling. Well, I started my preparation na because I know all of us know na, ang Miss Cosmo, it has a debate segment. So I really focus on that. I begun my workout and of course my communication classes with my coaches. So, I really want to go there to Vietnam in December, fully prepared. And of course, with the help of Jojo Bragais shoes, I know I can strap anything with pride and confidence.
Thank you so much for that.
So, I also hope that you will, support me in my Miss Cosmo journey towards getting the first ever crown.
Let's go! And of course, for our Miss Winwin, as a title holder, a mother, and recently you finished first runner-up at MUPH. How does it feel knowing that you've inspired a lot of women out there with your pageant journey?
Wow, knowing that, feeling ko, ano na rin yun, it's a win for me, diba? Na marami tayong na-inspire na babae. And sabi ko nga, no matter what season you are in, as long as your heart is there, as long as it's your passion, do it. Parang kay Jojo Bragais na walk and then win.
And of course, for Miss Atisa, we know how powerful the support of the Filipino people pagdating sa talent week. So, how has that motivated you for your preparation towards your upcoming competition?
With all the very positive comments that I'm receiving from all the supporters that we have all over the Philippines, and sometimes not even in the Philippines nga, and I will be very proud to carry the name Philippines in Thailand when I compete for Miss Universe. And of course, it just motivates me to give the best fight ever I can give for the Philippines when I get there. Kasi you guys inspire me to be my best.
Thank you so much. And of course, we're all rooting for you for your upcoming competitions. But now, siguro, to celebrate our anniversary of Jojo Bragais, what is your favorite Jojo Bragais product and siguro why? Kaya, kung we can share sa aming mga clients here now or viewers natin.
Because I have the mic, I'll go first. My favorite is the MFP. Really good foundation, really good material, and it makes me very proud to wear it on the international stage. Every time I compete internationally, I wear Jojo Bragais. Because, it's a way to showcase to the world, to the universe rather, the Filipino craftsmanship, and it's world class, it's beautiful, and everyone uses it, so I'm very proud to wear Jojo Bragais.
Thank you so much for that. Of course, for Miss Philippines.
Sa akin naman, Maxine is my favorite. I used that back when I competed in Bolivia, here also in the Philippines. And syempre pag naka-gown tayo, gusto natin may added height
Chelsea?
As for me naman po, it's Maureen. In fact, I am wearing them today. And actually, I have them in blue. And this shoe, actually, I wore them back in 2022 when I competed in Binibining Pilipinas. And this is also the same shoes I wore during my Miss Universe Philippines journey. So, these shoes really hold a lot of memories, a lot of triumphs, and I really, really value them a lot. That's why this is really, truly special. So, Maureen.
Thank you so much for that. So if you want to explore also the products that are mentioned by our queens, makikita nyo na po yan around our outlet anniversary sale po. Maraming salamat. And now we're curious to know what's next for our pageant kings and queens. So of course, the ones that are competing, what are your preparations? Let's start with Kenneth. What's next after Supranational?
As of now po, wala pa namang future plans. I still want to continue on my responsibility as Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide King and as Mr. Supranational Runner-up. And siguro may plans ako na continue my book that I created, the pageantry. Kasi gusto ko pong give back sa pageantry. Sobrang laki po ng tulong ng pageantry sa buhay ko. Ginagawa niya ito and I want to make this as parang give back.
Okay, this is the time also to promote your social media accounts. Events.
Siguro naka-follow naman po kayo lahat. But to remind you, my Facebook account is Kenneth Kimundan, my TikTok po, Kenneth Vincent, and also my Instagram. So follow, like. Chika-chika lang kayo doon.
For me, I will still continue doing my duties and responsibilities and at the same time, doing my preparations for Miss Cosmo. And again, I hope that we can get the first ever crown for the Philippines. And of course, I hope that you can follow all my social accounts. On TikTok, it's Chelsea Fernandez. On Instagram, it's Chelsea Fernandez. And on Facebook, Chelsea Fernandez, of course, for more updates about what I'm doing. And of course, doing my events as well. So thank you so much, everyone.
Ako naman, magiging busy sa pag-support sa dalawang queens natin na lalaman this November and December. And sa mga nakakapanood, bumalik na rin po ako sa TV, sa acting, sa magiging kontrabida. Sa magiging kontrabida. So I'm very thankful that Jimmy, binalikan ako, babalik ako ulit sa pag-acting. And sana abangan nyo yung mga susunod na projects na gagawin. And of course, mabubuhay na yung YouTube channel ko ulit, which is a win-win situation. So, dito-document ko lahat na ginagawa ko ngayon para i-share sa mga fans and everybody in the world, syempre.
Also, before we proceed to the next, welcome Mr. Jeffrey Malomo.
Good afternoon, everyone. I know I'm a bit late, but I was hoping I was worth the wait. Thank you to everyone for coming here to support us and enjoy the progress as well. We're super excited to see you guys and really hoping to win all the crowns that we're hoping to go for. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, I'll ask the question for Jeff. So, we just recently won the Mr. Global title. So, what are your preparations right now for your competition?
Honestly speaking, it's always been the same thing. I think we all had that commitment, that drive to win. There's nothing different this time around, whether it be back-to-back or first time. The number one thing that we need to look for is perseverance, and that's what I want to do.
Okay, now you can promote your social media accounts and of course your upcoming events in here.
Thank you to everyone. You guys can follow me at Jethro Palamo. That's JETHDRPALOMO. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'm hoping you guys will support me and everyone here. So thank you guys so much.
Thanks so much, Mr. Jen. And of course, Miss Atiza, can you promote all of your socials and of course your events?
So sa mga hindi pa po nagpa-follow sa akin, Farmer page. Yes, on all platforms, that's HTISA.
So, follow and like and share until next time again.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Palapakan muli natin ang ating pilot teams and queens. Of course, I know excited na tayo lahat pag matutukob sa kanila. But to give it para mas maayos na po tayo, let's sign up from there po with your Jojo Braga speaker bands. And then isa-isa na po.
Photo kayo, girl.
Of course, we have official photos muna for our friends and tigas.
Compress.
Photo muna. Pila na po yung iba nating mga super
Compress.
sa ito namin stage.
Well.